Oh, a prank call? Sure, but why a prank call to Yuri? That was priceless! And you guys see her face? Oh, right. I guess she no longer has a face. But I bet it's gonna go viral!
Надень, ты почеши мне спинку. Кидай, 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 кидай.
These people are loving it online.
Поберегись, большой кальмар.
These people are loving it online. Okay, fine. Maybe I went a little over the top, but hey, views are views. Time to sleep.